Hey everyone, Jamie Pate here. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. I am always excited to show you what I'm up to, and literally this is in real time, people. This is actually what I'm working on right now. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Look at all these tag dies. Aren't those awesome? Jamie, you ask, what are you gonna do with all those tag dies? I'm gonna make tags, of course. Yes, I am. Today in this video, I'm gonna just walk you through making kind of a music video, process video. I haven't quite got a name for it yet. You'll see what I mean. It's one of those kick back and relax, listen to the music, one of my favorite tunes, and just watch me process out a couple of tags. I've made them with these tag dies. This tag die set is from scrapbook.com, and of course I have it linked below. I'm telling you, you're gonna want and need these. Today was a basic way of using these. My suggestion, make a whole bunch of tags all at once. Then you just have them and stash them away in your storage somewhere and you've got them ready to go. I like using them with the Sizzix Big Shot. I just got that newest machine. I love it so much, but that's for another video. In the meantime, grab some tag dies. Let's make some tags.